decided, I don't know why, that he's going to install the starter, most likely when it was outside of the vehicle, with some form of key on here that relies on an Allen wrench that you can't reach to tighten the starter or to hold the starter in place. And in turn, now good old stupid Beverton here had to cut this 5/16 thing, create this tool, lower the transmission a little bit after pulling off, I see, and there goes a little bit. This is what's doing this, people. This is it. This is currently what's saving our ass. But yeah, as that is look like it's loosening up, let me go fix some things and reattach some things before the shit falls on me. Yes, I'm losing all my strength and masculinity just so I can fit in, because it is illegal to act like a man today. This is what's going on. So, I took the wonderful starter to AutoZone, which I think is the only establishment in the United States that hire people whose only requirement is that they can breathe. Because when you go in there and ask them to do anything that requires them to think and not follow a flow chart that's on a computer, they are functionally handicapped. Like, how do I test a starter that's not in the database? Yeah, that happened. So, went to go get the starter tested. Starter works. It just kind of messed up because I don't know. I really don't. So, I'm crying on the inside because what would have been an easy solution is, oh, the starter is bad. Great. Change the starter. Starter's not bad. Starter was there spinning all along. And yeah, so now once I get the pleasure of putting all of this back, that's annoying within itself. I still now need to find out why the car isn't starting anymore, even though we still can't really. Yeah, the car's not starting. So I need to fix this. Let's see how many profanities I can curse. Oh, Jesus. Oh, this is gonna be so stupid if this happens on the road. Abracadabra, gents, who skipped over all the exciting parts. And by exciting, I mean overly annoying things that one must do. Oh yeah, look at how tight it is. Doesn't it look so enticing? Like, imagine having to push your hand in here. All the scratches, knickknacks, paddywhack, and the dog on the bones. Up, that went there. And now let's see if we can. Where's the other one? And there we go. Get out of the way, intercooler. Oh. Yeah, that's how clumsily all of that goes. So I need to bolt all of this up, and I'm certain you're not interested in seeing all of the unnecessary turning of wrenches. So we'll get right back to you. What's going on, fellas? Birds are chirping. People are at FD up the road at Road Atlanta. I should be up there, but I just don't feel like dealing with it. So let me show you what I did. Yes, this is the definition of haggerty. Or there's other words we can use for this, but we're not going to use them right now. So while you weren't here and I was not filming like I should have been doing, what I did I cut this wonderful little Johnny off that was back here with the curve, or as Jim Carrey would say, hanging to the right. I welded this on. I put some slide-on sleeves because I seem to be having entirely too much annoyances with the AN fittings. These are not good for flow. Well, these kinks in the line are not good for flow. I'm fully aware of this. But I'm putting this on here because I don't know. I want to see what's going on. So, multi-part. I did start the car earlier, but I turned it off because there's always some weird shit that happens. And when I bring it to you in film, I think people think I'm just BSing. So, we're going to do this with you on here. So, in the event anything weird happens again, I get to show it to you. And, you know, just to make it seem like I wasn't here just, you know, wasting time like most of you think I'm doing. Yeah, that was brake fluid that was all the way in there. It was full up. And I'll put a cut scene in there to show you what exactly is happening with that. What the fuck causes this to happen? Why is this shit leaking? It's like everything is torqued and... Yo. What the fuck? Where is the fluid coming from? So anyway. Something to create a little suction there so I can close this and see what's going on. Oh yeah, I'm supposed to be checking to see if this is leaking too. You see this is twisted. That's not a good look. And there's the pipe underneath there that I welded up the tip on the bottom metal pipe. I need to see if that's leaking. There's just a whole bunch of checking things. And we're also trying to see if this fan is going to come on, or if I'm even wired to the proper fan. So we will see how this all goes as we progress. I'm gonna get off here. Wondering what the hell is Bev and his crazy ass doing? Bev is looking for leaks. This is a leak, but like I said, this is slid over the threaded AN fitting, so you should expect that. What we're looking for is leak on the back side of this, like on that metal pipe that's running to the back as a part of the cooling system. We're looking for leaks at the joint of that. So we could basically say this is good, that's good, oil drain is good, turbo feel from the top Good to go. I don't know what the hell is causing this. However, as we look down here, oil drippity drip. That's coming from the bottom of the bracket. And of course that thing's leaking. That's going to be irritating within its own realm. Yesterday when we tried to hook up and bleed the clutch and brake system, we had fluid dripping out of here, and you see build up here. We got the T56 slave. So when this is all said and done, they're gonna be pulling the engine out, unfortunately, because this entire process is annoying. So this is what happened. This is a remnants of my welding. There's a needle, I don't know if you can hear it, but surprisingly there's one needle hole leak in my weld job. If you can see there, right where a little brass nub is, dripping. Yeah, that's dripping. What's the other thing here? Well, we know why this is leaking. Surprisingly enough, the welded piece back there isn't leaking. This needs to get a clearer thing. The fan did come on and cycle, however the temperature is still climbing, and I don't understand that in essence. And given the temperature is now 210, not really a good time to be messing with it. Fuel system is holding up well. But yeah, that's pretty much the gist of that. As we're all here and this thing's still making a bunch of noise. It's still doing what it's doing, but yeah, the system just told me temperature is at 210. There goes the fan doing what the fan is supposed to do, but coolant temp is still kind of high. All of a sudden it's going down now. I don't really know what's going on here. Temperature hasn't dropped a bit. Considering the vehicle is off, we gotta figure the temperature to drop quicker than that, right? I don't know. Maybe the cooling system needs to be filled and tinkered with a little bit more. Cooling system on these engines are usually very finicky. It's very finicky, but yeah. Now, as for the leak that you should have seen, and if you didn't see it, it's on my IG, and that link will be in the description if you're just skipping through it. So yeah, basically the next course of events will be trying to figure out. That's not really trying to figure out. Basically assessing what would be the fastest way to drop the transmission out of this car. Something to know, but also just something we gotta deal with right now. It's like, I don't know. And then we need to get back to what's going on with this fan. It's like the fan kicks on and everybody's running, but I don't see a drastic drop in the temperature. I don't know if this thing is just not, I don't know. I'm not sure what's going on. It's like, let's not play Russian roulette right now. I don't feel like getting burnt. Yeah, I don't know. Back to the drawing board on this thing for a little bit. Well, not really, but we need to run it to check whatever is leaking up there and try to seal that up, clean up a lot of this wiring. But next go around is basically going to be patching all the leaks and the very big pulling the transmission out. So yeah, hey, I know it's not as exciting as driving around, but I don't even know where to go with this. It's just a lot of work, man. There's more work to be done. We're gonna be doing some work. Until next time, peace, enjoy your day. Happy Mother's Day to the people. Tell somebody if you don't remember. Later.